In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Copilot in the Chrome sidebar. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's jump right in. If you've been working in Chrome and you've heard about Copilot, or even using it in other platforms, and want that same convenience while browsing, you're in the right place. Copilot can enhance your productivity by offering suggestions and assisting you as you work through various tasks. So let's walk through the steps to get this set up in your Chrome sidebar. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of Chrome installed. Keeping your browser updated not only gives you access to new features, but it also helps to keep your data secure and provides you with the best possible experience. If you need to check for updates, you can navigate to the top right corner of your browser, click on the three dots, hover over Help, and then select About Google Chrome. Your browser will automatically check for updates and install them if necessary. Once you've confirmed that your Chrome is updated, it's time to install the Copilot extension. Head over to the Chrome Web Store. You can do this by typing Chrome Web Store into your search bar or by directly navigating to the URL if you know it. Once you're on the store page, use the search feature prominently located at the top of the page. Type in Copilot and hit Enter. This will bring up a list of extensions that match your search criteria. Scroll through the results to locate the official Copilot extension. It's important to choose the correct one, so make sure to check the publisher's name and the ratings to ensure it's the legitimate version. After you find it, click on the extension to open its details page. Here you will see an Add to Chrome button. Click on that button. A pop-up window may appear detailing the permissions the extension will need. Review this information carefully, and if you're comfortable, go ahead and click Add Extension. Once the installation is complete, you should see the Copilot icon appear on the toolbar at the top right corner of your Chrome browser. However, we're not quite done yet. To access Copilot in your sidebar, you will need to enable the sidebar feature if it's not activated by default. To do this, right-click on the Copilot icon. This will bring up a context menu. Look for an option that says something like Show Sidebar or Enable Sidebar and select it. If you can't find this option, don't worry just yet. Sometimes you may need to go into your Chrome settings. To do this, click on the three dots in the upper right corner again, then select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for Extensions or Sidebar. Explore the options under these menus until you find the settings related to the sidebar. Ensure that sidebar functionality is enabled. With the sidebar set up, you should now see Copilot nestled neatly in your Chrome sidebar. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. You can interact with Copilot directly from there. It will assist you in various tasks, whether you're drafting emails, researching, or even coding. The convenience of having assistance right alongside your browsing experience can be a game changer. Finally, I encourage you to explore all the features that Copilot has to offer. Maybe dive into the settings to customize how it works for you. Each user has different requirements, so feel free to tweak it until it feels just right. And there you have it. You're all set to use Copilot in your Chrome sidebar. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.